To do now on your Tomarket is to come to this part here, this assets part here. You need to click on this connect. Then after clicking on the connect, it will load and take you to the bitget on Telegram. Then you click on open wallet. Then you allow it to load, and then you put your pin, any kind of pin you want to use. You put. So it says importing. So let's wait for it to import. So immediately you open this part here where you are going to see ton, ETH and all this kind of thing, but you are looking for APT. You are looking for APT, right? And then this is the APT here, but that is not what you are looking for. Then you are going to come to this part here. If your own is not showing APT currently, you are going to click on this part, and then you are going to search here. If you do not see APTOS, if you do not see it, the next thing you need to do is that it will show you something here that says upgrade. This upgrade mainnet. You understand? Upgrade mainnet. Click on that upgrade mainnet. Let me write it here. Upgrade mainnet. So you will see it there. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open again. And once it's open again, it's going to show you. You scroll down again. You come to this part again. Where I see this thing. You see, this is the normal page here. This is the normal page. You come to this part again, and then you are going to see. You come to this part, and they are going to see this APTOS, as you all know. So once you click on it, then it's going to open for you, as you can see here. So that's when you can copy this wallet address, and then you can purchase APTOS from a vendor, or you can come to me to purchase from me. And then once you purchase, and it's going to be here. Now let me quickly send 0.1 APTOS to this place. So now I just sent myself 0.1 APT. So as you can see, so this is as simple as wallets. Come to this search part in your wallet, and then you can always search for bitget wallet lite, as you know. So then you can open it, and they can see your balance, just like the way we search for OKS during the time of MemeFi, as you all know. So it's as simple as this. I hope you understand this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends also. Sure you remember this same thing happened during the time of MemeFi. During the time of MemeFi, when MemeFi was supposed to launch on Ton, and later they changed to linear ETH, and later they changed to the SUI network, which is SUI network. Do you remember that we used the OKX that is on Telegram to receive our MemeFi? Do you remember that? So it is just the same method. And then later, after receiving, we needed SUI gas fee. Then each and every one of us bought each SUI gas fee to receive our MemeFi, and then we send our MemeFi from the OKX exchange, like it's inside the Telegram. We also sent it inside the one on the to other exchange, to other CX exchange that we can sell on, as you all remember. So the same thing is just what we are doing here. It's nothing much difficult to do, as you all know. So that is what Tomarket is doing. Tomarket is changing from the network that they are launching into the APT network. So as time goes on, I'm going to continue to give you more updates in my Telegram group and my WhatsApp channel. So you can also, if you are new to this, if you are new to my page, you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel. You can check the link in the description, so as you can join also to be following up with the updates on Tomarket and then APT and bitget exchange. So see you in my next video.